Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be learning first of all how to get into crow pose. What I do first is I like to stretch my hands and my wrists and just get ready to get into crow pose. Now beginners, what you can do is just to learn how to lift up your lower body off the ground. You don't necessarily have to take your toes or your legs off the ground. You can just start by lifting up your lower body off the ground, but advanced you can lift up a little as high as you can go and gently come down back to the ground. And I like to repeat the crow pose because the first one was just an attempt to see if I could get it, so usually I try to take another second one, with this time finding my focus and just finding my balance. Now anybody can actually do crow pose. You can do that with the help of pillows, you can do that with the help of a wall, you can do that with absolutely anything. Now getting right into the practice, I'm starting off with wide leg and going to wide leg twist on both sides. Now guys, because of the crow pose I did, I feel my upper body is a little bit kind of cranky, and that's why I did that stretch. And I just like to adjust part of my body where I'm kind of feeling uneasy, and that's why you see I did it on one leg. Straight up, I'm going into a cobra position, more like an upward facing dog, but more in a cobra form. And then I'm going to go right into puppy stretch, inhaling and lengthening out my hands and just allowing myself to be in puppy stretch, catching my breath and just breathing. Puppy stretch is very easy for anybody to do. The next pose I'm going to is plank. Plank just has a way of getting your whole body ready, and then I'm going right into downward facing dog, back to plank, back to high plank, and then back again to downward facing dog. Now the next pose I like to do is take my leg in more like a lizard position and just stretching out my obliques and just doing it, upper body strengthening and core workout. Very easy. Now guys, here you want to catch your breath before moving into your next pose. You want to slow down, catch your breath, and then come back again into a wide leg position. Now guys, this wide leg forward fold is a little bit intense for beginners like me. I was trying to see if I could reach my hands all the way, but it was not working, but I was able to bow and go deep into the pose. This pose, because your spine is stretched, makes you feel a little bit uneasy, so take your time. Inhale and exhale, and I'm going straight into the Superman stretch, alternating hands, tucking my stomach in, lengthening the alternating hands on both sides. You want to do this, you want to stretch as far as you can go, you want to go as far as your energy can take you. Now guys, I'm in a seated pose and I'm just catching my breath, because sometimes when you do all these poses you're like, where am I breathing so fast? So you want to take your time, inhale, exhale while stretching your upper body. Now guys, this is more like a child's pose position, but very simple because your knees are bent and you just want to sit down and just slowly observe yourself in this observing yourself, being mindful of yourself, being aware of yourself, and slowing down your energy and just being present with yourself. Now guys, you can do this inside the house. I did this outside my house, but you could do this practice inside the house, but it's best to be practiced in the morning. Thank you so much guys for coming back to my channel. Remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button for when next I'll be posting long practice videos like this, because I'm going to be uploading more often, like let's say 3 to 4 times in a week, and also I'll be uploading more videos on my shorts. Thank you guys, and bye.